Hi guys, welcome to Code Patcher, and in this video I will discuss one-to-many polymorphic relationship. So usually in one-to-many relationship, the parent model contains the related many instances in child model. Okay, but in one-to-many polymorphic relationship, the child model contains the many type of parent instances. Okay, in single table. So let's understand it with the help of an example. I have three table here: users, post, and comments. So user contains the user information, post contains the post information, and comments contains the information about the comments. So the comments here is the child one. Okay, and it contains the many type of parent instances in single table. So here it it has the two column: commentable id and commentable type. Okay, so the id column contains the id of the parent instances, and the type column contains the type of the parent instances. So here you can see we have the post uh, and user instances. Okay, and their related ids. Okay, because it is one to many. So one instances of the user can have the many records. Okay, and one instance of the post can have many records as well. Okay, so you can see the child table contains the more than one type of parent instances. So in Laravel Eloquent, you can implement this relationship on the parent model table as well. Here we have a user, post, and comments model. So in the user model, if you want to implement this relationship, we can implement it comments. Okay, in the comments relationship, we use the Laravel Eloquent uh, relationship method morph many. Okay, so first instance here will be the target child model name. In this case, it will be a comment class. Okay, and the second parameter will be the relationship name. So here, as we have the two columns: commentable id, commentable type. So here the commentable is the relationship name. Okay, so just give it. We will discuss on it more later. Okay, so we have relationship commentable. Okay, now if we fetch the user, let's find out the user id 4, because we have the comments related to the user id 4 here, you can see. Okay, so just find out the information about the user id 4 like this. Okay, and return it simply. And now if you refresh, we can get the information here. Okay, now if you want to fetch its comments, so we use the relationship name comments method name. Okay, is the method name, and we will use exactly here as it is comments. And now we are getting the comments information about the user. Okay, likewise we can implement the relationship, this relationship, one to many relationship, on the post model parent. Okay, like this. And now if we fetch the post id 77, because we have comments related to 77. Okay, and now we can get the comment information about this post as well, like this. Okay, so we are declaring here the relationship name. Okay, so Laravel uses this relationship name, try to find out the related column with underscore id and underscore type. if we try to change it and want to change it, then simply pass here xyz here. Okay, and now you have to alter this column also. So we have given xyz, so here you need to give the xyz id. Okay, and xyz type. Oh, xyz id you type. Okay, now apply, and if we refresh, okay, we are changing here in user. Okay, let's comment out the post because we are not changing in the post model. We are changing here the user model. The post model contains the comment table already, and we have changed it to the xyz. Okay, and now if we refresh, we'll get the comment information as before. Okay, so Laravel uses this relationship for to try to find out the related column. And in some cases, if you have a different column name and you don't want to let the Laravel find out automatically, then you can give here the different column name also for the ID and type. The first will be the ID. Okay, let's give it to the uh, dd id, dd type. First column, third parameter will be the type of the column. Okay, and fourth one is the will be the id, dd id, like this. Okay, and now if we try to find out, we will get the error, an error. Okay, so we have to change it, the dd id and dd type. Okay, and now if you refresh it, it must work as before. Okay, so you can customize the relationship name and relationship column related to this polymorphic relationship. Okay, also we can define the inverse relationship on the child model. So here, for this inverse relationship, public function, we have given here xyz. Okay, and return to morph to. Okay, like we give the belong to in one to many case. Okay, so here if we have any comment information, okay, like let's let's add the comment id one. Okay, so we will have the post instance because comment id one has the post instance. Okay, with the 77. And now return comment. Okay, so we will get the comment information. Okay, and if we want the instance on it, then we'll use the relationship name, as we have given in comment xyz, whatever you have give, we have given xyz. Okay, and now, okay, because we have different column names, so we have to mention it here also. So first parameter here in mov2 will be the function name. Okay, you can use the php function constant, or you can pass it a string xyz. Okay, and here you have to pass the customized column name, dd type. First one is the type and second one is the id, like this. And now if you refresh, you will get the instance on this comment. In this case it's a post instance. Okay, so you using this relationship, you can implement the one to many polymorphic relationship, which contains the more than one parent type of instances in one single table, and it can be very useful to keep your code dry and db dry. Okay, without any redundancy. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and if you like it, then please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and you can share it also. So thank you so much.